Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or of the strategies shared there, so that you can also practice it very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets that I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your profit, the more your capital, the more the profit you will be making. Okay, so, and of course guys, we will be starting right away, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milking trading indicator. This actually went on uptrend after ending this downtrend at this support zone. Okay, so you can see it kept on going up and up and up, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it's more of uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back down, but for now it is still buying. So next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course we're going to see how it works. Boom 500 started from this support zone, and of course it kept on going up and up. It's also on a very strong buy trend, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. That is when it will go back on downtrend. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. After got into this resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. But when it gets to the support zone and it's unable to break out from there, it will go back on buy trend. But if it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is still selling for now. The next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course guys, crash 500 was on downtrend before, but right from this support zone it picked up an uptrend and it started buying right from there, played around there for a while, broke out above the resistance zone around there, and of course it is still buying at the moment, even though it is at the resistance zone. And if it's unable to break out from there, it's most likely for it to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so you should take note of that. So this is still buying for now. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75, volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend right from this support zone, even though the movement was a bit slow around there, but broke out above it and it kept on going up. If it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so this is more of a buying opportunity at the moment than a selling opportunity. These are the assets that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal you should do your own personal research about it. You should practice very well with it on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then,